Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look as to what's in store for you for the first 15 days of May. And as these are general readings, they may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the ascendant. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's there for Taurians. We have the Three of Cups, the Knight of Cups, the Sun, the Eight of Swords, the Three of Wands, and the Magician, the Emperor, the Justice, and the Queen of Swords with the Four of Wands. Okay. Okay, so Taurians, what I feel here is with the Three of Cups, the Knight of Cups, and the Sun, you are either reuniting with someone or maybe just spending quality time with your family, your friends, and celebrating, being very, very happy. Whatever the situation is, you are very happy in that, and you are maybe actually reuniting with someone, or maybe just it is just a celebration with family and friends. Whatever it is, you are in a happy mood, you're spending a happy life out there. And then we have the Knight of Cups and the Sun. So what I feel is that you are making a move towards something, moving towards someone or something very, very emotionally, with all the love, with all the emotions, all with your full heart, towards something or someone which is giving you a lot of happiness. This person or this situation or whatever this means for you is your source of happiness. So this is something you decided to move towards, or maybe that is what you are raising the toast to, with the Three of Cups being there. Maybe you are celebrating this happiness. Maybe you have decided, okay, now I'm going to do this. Okay, let's start. Okay, so this is something before, it's a celebration before you actually move towards the execution of or move towards the starting or the beginning of something which is very important for you and is the source of your happiness. So what I feel here is, okay, you are celebrating that now and then moving. It's like that. Okay, it's like, suppose tomorrow morning you have to go, tomorrow you have to go and suppose start something new, and this is the previous day you are celebrating, you are happy that you've got it, and now you are supposed to move in that direction. It is a celebration maybe regarding something which you have achieved, and now you need to make a move the next day. It's something like that. And this is something which you are very, very happy about, something, someone, whatever it is. It's a beautiful energy over here, Taurians. Okay, and then we have the Eight of Swords, the Three of Wands, and the Magician. So now what I feel here is that since you know that this situation is your happiness, you are very clear about it, but there is something from the past with the Eight of Swords, there is something which is holding you back. There are some inner fears, some past experiences, something is definitely holding you back. There's something deep inside, something deep within which is holding you back. It can be anything, but now the beauty here is with the Three of Wands, you are ready to let go of it. You're turning your back to your inner fears. You're turning your back. This is a very, very powerful energy with the Magician being there. You are now ready to be there with the bang. No, I'm here to be recognized, to be acknowledged. This is me. This is, you are making your presence felt. This is something you are turning your back to. You are turning your back to whatever is holding you back. You know that this is your happiness. You want it. You want a new beginning in this direction, and you are turning your back to any damn thing which is holding you back. You will not let anything hold you back in this happiness, whatever this happiness is for you. And with the Magician being there, you are totally manifesting this new beginning in your life. Whatever this new thing is, whatever it is in your life, this is the new thing here is not letting anything hold you back. This is the new thing. Maybe this may not be new. It may be, it may not be. Whatever it is. But this is something new. You're doing it for the first time, letting go of all your fears, whatever they are, and getting ready for the new journey, getting ready for turning your back to them, just embarking on a new career, on a new project, whatever it is for you. And with the Magician, you are ready, just totally ready there, whatever it is in your life. And do mention that in the comment section how it shapes up for you. What is this for you? Then we have the Emperor, the Justice, the Queen of Swords, and the Four of Wands. So this is you, totally empowered with the. See, you have so many major cards here in the Sun, the Magician, the Emperor, the Justice. Three major, 1, 2, 3, 4 major cards here. So with the Emperor, the Justice, this is the decision you are making. This is the time to do. You are manifesting this in a very major way, whatever it is your source of happiness. You will not let it go at any cost. This person, this situation, whatever it means for you. And here you are finally deciding. With the Emperor, you are in a position of making a decision. You are empowered, you are in control, you are in the mode to take a decision. You have the ability to do that and the capability to do that. You are in a situation to do that. Okay, maybe actually you are taking some sort of a decision for someone here. And the decision here is with the Queen of Swords and the Four of Wands, you are guarding your happiness. You have taken a decision that no, I want this stability, I want this person. If it is a person for you, if it is a relationship, then with the Four of Wands, yes, you have taken a decision that no, I will not let anybody mess up with my happiness. I will not let anything ruin it. Whatever it is, you are defensive against what you have achieved now. With the Four of Wands, you want this stability. It is whatever it is stable, it is long term, it is committed, whatever it is for you. It can be a relationship, it can be a work scenario. But you are definitely taking a decision over here, and the decision is you are cutting off anything which is negative. You know what you want and you know how to get it now. You are in a place of power now. You know what you want and you will not let anyone or anything mess up with it. You are in that position. So you have taken a decision that no, I will not let anything ruin my new beginning or whatever I want or my happiness. Something like that. So let's see what is the message from this deck for Taurians. The King of Diamonds, spirituality. So this is someone who is spiritual. This is someone who meditates, who thinks, who balances, who does things after thinking. Again, being a king, the Emperor, the Justice, some major decision is being taken over here in your life and you are totally guarding it. Let's see what is the message from the angels, guidance from the angels here. 9 of emotion. It is a magical time of your life. When wishes are granted and dreams come true, it may seem that good luck is following you, but actually these happy times are just the reward for being loving and a wonderful person. Your angels are asking you to enjoy your life and have more fun. So just see, it's something beautiful which is coming in. And the only thing here is with the Eight of Swords, the best part is you are letting go of anything which is or which may be holding you back. Beautiful reading, Taurians, and happy damn birthday. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.